oven bath, I'll be using 500 grams of fresh grated coconut, 500 grams semolina, 500 grams powdered sugar, 6 eggs, dry cashew nut, dry raisins, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 250 grams of butter and half cup of water. Let's start with grinding fresh coconut using a mixer so that we can have a fine smooth paste out of it. I'll be grinding into 2 different batches as my grinder is smaller so that I can get a smooth consistency. I'll be using 100 ml of water. Now let's grind this into a fine paste. So the coconut is already grinded and I've already grinded both the batches. As you see, this will be the result once it's grinded. Now let's take the eggs and beat them to a fluffy texture. Now let's beat the eggs using a hand mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a normal whisk to blend. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and salt to taste. As you see, the eggs have become very fluffy now, and now I'm going to add the coconut paste. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix this well all together. So now in a separate bowl, take 250 grams of butter, and 500 grams of powdered sugar. Mix this well together. So now this is nicely blended, and now I'm going to add 500 grams of semolina. Mix all this well together. The semolina, sugar and butter is very well mixed, and now let's add the mix to the coconut mixture. Now let's mix these two mixtures very well together. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, handful of cashew nuts and dry raisins. Now let's mix this again well together. Before you bake the bath, it's always good to leave the mixture for long hours. I myself prefer to leave the mixture overnight for fermentation. So now let's cover this batter and leave it to rest overnight. I had kept this batter overnight and the fermentation is done. So now let's go and bake it. Now let's grease the tray with butter. So I'm using a butter paper because it's going to be easy for me once it's baked. If you don't have a butter paper, it's absolutely fine. Now let's put the batter into the tray. Now let's spread it very evenly. So I have this tray as well, and I'm going to pour this batter into this as well, as this will look like cupcakes. So as I've told you before, if you all don't have a butter paper, it's absolutely fine, as I'm using this without the butter paper. The trays are ready. I've already preheated the oven for 10 minutes. If you are using electric oven, bake this at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Since I'm using a gas oven, it will take a little bit longer to cook than the electric oven. Our badhk is ready. I've baked it for 45 minutes on a gas oven, and I've checked it if it's become completely dry. Now let's serve this on a plate.